I think everyone can see.
Yes.
These are the microprocessor system and these are the microcontroller system. Everything is mentioning. Okay, these are the applications of the microcontroller. These are the application of microcontroller. These are the 8-bit microcontroller. These are the 16-bit microcontroller. Now coming into the pin configuration. I think pin configuration already described.
Yes, sir.
Already being described, na? So
Yes, sir.
just I'm repeat once again. Say if I'm talking about the this is port 0, P1.0 to P1.7. These are the port 0, right? This port 0, sorry, port 1, P1.0 to P1.7. These are the port 1 only used for input and output port. Okay. And P3.0 to P3.7, these are the port 3. These are the port 3 used as an input output port as well as some other function. Those are the other functions I will be described later on, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, P2.0 to P2.7, these are the nothing but a port 2. Also used as a higher order address bus, A8 to A15. Also used as a higher order address bus, right? Next,
Yes, sir.
port 0 is nothing but a P0.02, P0.7, P0.02, P0.7, which is also used as a AD0 to 87, means address oblique data bus multiplex. Address oblique data bus multiplex.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so P0.02, P0.7, P2.02, P2.7, P3.02, P3.7, and P1.02, P1.7. These are the 4 port. P1, P0, P1, P2, P3. Okay. Next,
Yes, sir.
pin number 31, EA bar oblique VPP. EA bar oblique VPP. Full form EA bar is nothing but a external access bar oblique VPP, voltage peak to peak. Next, ALE oblique PROG. Full form ALE oblique PROG is nothing but a address latch enable oblique program. Address latch enable oblique program, right? PSEN is program store enable. Extel 1 and Extel 2 connected with a crystal, ground connected with ground, and VCC connected with plus 5 volt. Next, I am coming into the one by one. That is pin number 9, RST. What is the function of pin number RST? That is a reset pin. Reset pin. Reset pin means, say, if you can see, say this is the pin number 9. That is the RST. There is the RST. Circuit is like that. This 8.2K resistance with the ground. This is connected with 10 microfarad capacitor with plus 5 volt, plus and minus. This is 10 microfarad. This is a switch. Everyone can see my circuit diagram, pin number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to do any kind of circuit using microcontroller, pin number 9 should be like that. This kind of circuit diagram. This is a tagged switch. called takt switch. Whenever you are press this one, microcontroller will be reset. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the function of pin number 9, that is a reset. A reset means at the time of reset, microcontroller starting from 0000H means program will be starting from 0000H. Next, what are the function of RxD, what are the function of TXD, what are the function of INT0, INT1? Sir, RxD and TXD you already known from the architecture. If I am going into the architecture
Yes, sir.
diagram,
Transmission
and reception. TXD is for
Yes,
transmission
sir.
and RxD is for receptions. So
Reception.
RxD used for receptions and TXD is used for transmission, right? And how many
Yes, sir.
external interrupt is is there?
2.
2. So these are the nothing but a INT0 and INT1. INT0 and INT1. These two are the external interrupt, INT0 and INT1. Okay. These two
Okay,
are
sir.
the external interrupt 0 and external interrupt 1. Okay. Is
Okay,
it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, T0 and T1. What are the functions of T0 and T1? What are the functions of T0 and T1? Sir, how many timer is there?
2.
Two.
timer.
2.
R0, R1.
When it's called timer and when it's called counter, when count the internal clock pulses, then called timer. When it's count the external clock pulses, then is called
Counter.
counter. What does
Counter.
it mean? Say, I am telling you that you counting 1 to 100. You are counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that.
Hmm.
I am telling you that you counting, depend upon the some other persons. Means, say, one person is going towards, in a 6th floor, and given one step, there is some steps are there, that 1 by 1. So after 10, then 11, then if the person will be fast, then your counting will be fast. The person is slower, then your counting also slower. Means it will be depend upon the external event, not depend upon the your choice, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, this is a called
Count.
external pulse count. So external clock pulse count means this is the nothing but a clock. This is the just like a clock. It should be coming into the 8051.
8051.
It should be coming into the 8051. Otherwise, how it will be count?
Hmm.
It should be count from the 8051. So otherwise, how it will be count? So this is nothing but a said T0 and T1. This T0 and T1 is nothing but a used for counter 0 and counter 1 operations. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, counter 0 and counter.
Clock pulses for counter 0 operations coming through T0. Clock pulses coming through T1 at the time of counter 1. There are 2 timer or 2 counter, whatever it is. If you call timer or you call counter, there is a no difference is that. For timer 0, for counter 0, clock pulses coming through T0. For counter 1, clock pulses coming through T1.
T1. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is WR bar. What are the functions of WR bar? WR bar and RD bar.
Right bar, read bar.
Right bar. When memory operation, when the this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed.
Right. Perform.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
same as 8085. Next, XTEL1 and XTEL2. XTEL1 and XTEL2 connected with a crystal. Connected with a crystal, just like that. This is a pin number 18 and pin number 19. So connected with a crystal, symbol like that. Then there is a capacitor. Then this pin will be connected with ground. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of pin number 18 and 19. This, this one maybe.
So, sir, 18 and 19 both will be connected, na?
Both will
Not
be connected.
okay.
Both will be connected near about 12 megahertz. Depend upon the IC. If it is a 89C51, then it will be 11.0592 megahertz. and this capacitor is 10 to 50 picofarad, as I already told you
Yes.
at the time of architecture.
Yes.
10 to 50 picofarad. But in general, for our practical, we are using 33 pf.
30 picofarad.
33 pf.
33.
Okay. Say this is given the clock pulses from, you know, crystal oscillator. Say you don't have any crystal oscillator, but you have the function generator. So microcontroller can be worked because in that particular terminal, clock means like that. Only one terminal is required. So how it will be connected? Then Xtel 1 means pin number 80, pin number 19 will be connected with the clock, and Xtel 2 will be no connection. Xtel 2 will be no connection whenever any single connections will be there, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, sir, sir, how many types of memory is there? How many types of memory is there?
So two.
Two types of memory. One is the program memory, another is data memory.
Data memory.
Right?
Yes, sir.
When PSEN signal is low, then program memory will be selected. When PSEN
When high, then that
program
time data
will
memory will be selected.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And ALE and PROG, ALE's full form is address latch enable. Address latch enable, right?
Enable. Yes.
And PROG is nothing but a program. So what are the
Program.
functions of ALE and PROG? ALE and PROG is nothing but a address latch enable, and PROG is nothing but a program. So the function of ALE and PROG. Hello. So basically, INT 0 and INT 1 is nothing but a whatever we are, PSEN. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Program
ALE
store enable.
program.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Whenever PSEN bar is low,
Low.
then program memory will be
That time. Yes, sir.
program memory,
And when high, that time data
then
memory
data
will
memory
be
will be selected. PSEN will be high, then maybe data memory will be selected.
Yes, sir.
High, then maybe data memory will be selected. But if low, then program memory is selected, it's confirmed. Okay. Next, ALE. What are the functions of ALE? There is a, you know, AD0 to AD7. You can see that it is mentioning in beside port 0.0 to port 0.7. Okay. This ALE, when is
Yes,
high,
sir.
then AD0 to AD7 act as a A0 to A7
Address bus.
address bus.
আচ্ছা, low থাকছে তখন বের করব। Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe. Yes, sir.
Next, you know, this is the ALE function, right?
Hmm.
Next is
Mm-hmm.
PROG. It's a very important PROG.
There is the program.
PROG is a program. Every microcontroller have a two different mode. One is that you write the program or you are executing the program. You are write the program or you are executing the program. So whenever you are write the program, means you are in a burning mode. Means you are you are burning this program into the microcontroller. In that particular time, 50 millisecond pulse given in that particular pin. 50 millisecond pulse given in that particular pin. Right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Next, EA bar oblique VPP. EA bar oblique VPP. Voltage peak to peak. So what
External address
EA bar oblique VPP?
and
Full form external
sorry,
access.
external address.
External access means, say you have internal, what are the ROM capacity of 8051? Internally 4K.
Hmm.
Hmm.
This is nothing but a program memory. What are the total memory program memory capacity? Is a 64 kilobyte,
6 Hmm.
right? So you can
Yes, sir.
add another 60K.
Hmm.
4K internal, you can add another 60K. 4K means
Hmm.
near about 3000 to 4000 line program you can write. Say you need 5K. You need 5K memory where you write the program.
Hmm.
It may be this 5K connected externally. It may be 4K internal plus 1K external. And 4K is the internal. So 4K internal and 1K external, right? So total will be the 5K.
Hmm.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Total
Yes, sir.
5K, 4K internal and 1K external.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Absolutely.
with the help of that 4K internal and 1K external, total memory is fulfilled
5K.
5K, right? In that particular case, EA bar connected with plus 5 volt.
Hmm.
So either program will be execute from the only internal memory or first internal then external memory.
External
Both
memory.
the cases EA bar connected with plus 5 volt. If
Hmm.
you want to execute the program from the external memory only, if you want to execute your program from the external memory only, then EA bar connected with ground. Is it clear?
Hmm.
If your program will be executed only external memory, then it's connected with the ground. Okay?
Hmm.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
And what is the VPP? It's the voltage peak to peak. We are given at the time of EEPROM programming. At the time of EEPROM programming means whenever you are burning the program, then we are given plus 21 volt in this pin. Plus 21 volt. Right?
Hmm.
Next, the question is only one is different. That is the port 0. All the port internally pull up. Internally pull up. Only port 0 is connected with external pull up resistance. All the port internally pull up, but only port 0 is externally pull up by an pull up resistance. What does it mean? Say I'm just whenever I'm working, I just for your academic building, you ever been seen your academic building?
Yes, sir.
Maybe in a second floor, maybe your academic classes is conducted in a second floor.
Hmm.
So whenever I'm coming down, then I just my left leg is broken.
Hmm.
So how I can go into the admin building or faculty room? How I
Hmm.
can, as I am the broken my leg, so I cannot walk alone.
Yes. You
Say
have.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking help from Devojyoti and Aniket. Say they are nothing but given me some help to for going to academic college building to admin building. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you can see my weight. You cannot if you have a teacher, you cannot is it not possible to bring me from the building where this classes is going on to the admin building? It's not possible at all. So how it will be done,
Hmm.
how it can be done? So the procedure is that, procedure is very very simple one, that I am agreed to go in the admin building and
Hmm.
they are helping me in a the combination of these two. I can move from the class building to the admin building. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If anyone doesn't want, means Debojyoti and Oniket doesn't want, or I doesn't want, then I can go.
No, sir.
No, sir.
If both are agree, then
And you also agree, then you can go.
I go. Similar like
Hmm.
that in P0.0, P0.1, P0.2, all are connected like similarly P0.7. All are 10K resistance connected with plus 5 volt. So one voltage are coming through port 0 and another voltage is coming through that. According to that, any circuit can be operated. Means if you are not given this pull up, this is called pull up resistance, not given the pull up resistance, or you cannot given this voltage, then it will not be work. Means you are given the 0, then output will be 0. If you are given a 1, then output also 1. But whatever the
Hmm.
power is required to deliver a circuit is not possible at all to deliver it, because it is also worked as a AD0 to AD7. Rest all the port like P1, P2, P3, all are internally this kind of resistance is available. But only port 0 we are connected external pull-up resistance. Just go through in a for some slide, then it will be clear to you. This is a pin descriptions. XTEL1 and XTEL2 connected with the crystal. Just see VPP connected with 21 volt, right?
Volt. Yes, sir. Hmm.
A bar connected with either VCC or ground according to our requirement.
Yes, sir.
This is PROG connected with 15 millisecond pulse.
Hmm.
Time of EEPROM programming. PSEN, program store enable, is nothing but a program memory and data memory distinguished. This is already I am describe you connected with a crystal XTEL1 and XTEL2, right?
Hmm.
With 30 picofarad or 33 picofarad, whatever you have. Next, if connected the external oscillations, then XTEL1 will be connected and XTEL2 will be the no connections. NC means no connections, which I am already described. And this is nothing but a clock, how it is worked. At the reset conditions, this circuit I am already explain you. If you are eliminating this circuit, or if you are eliminating this reset circuit X1 and X2, then just circuit like that. Pin number 9 connected with 8.2K resistance with ground, 10 microfarad with plus 5 volt, and one switch is connected, right? At the reset condition, all the resistors will be 0 except Stack pointer will be 0007. Question is why? That will be described at the time of push pop operation. At the time of push
Okay,
pop
sir.
operation. But now is just remember all the registers should be 0 except stack pointer will be 0007. Okay.
Okay, sir.
These are the function of all ports. This is a pull-up resistance P0.0 to P0.7, whatever I am described. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. These are the data pointer. Now I'm coming into the PSW registers. Before PSW register, I want to tell you the internal RAM. Internal RAM. What is the internal RAM? What are the size of internal RAM? What are the size of internal RAM? What are the size of
Yes, sir.
internal RAM?
Sir, size of internal RAM.
Hmm. In architecture, it is available.
Yes, yes, yes.
What are the size of internal RAM? Can you see this one?
Sir, your notebook.
Sir, 128 byte.
128 byte. So what is a 128 byte? Every memory location, how much data can store?
60.
8 bit.
8 bit of data.
8
8
bit
bit.
of data or
8 bit.
1 byte of data.
Mm.
So it's
Yes.
need
Mm.
it's need 128 memory locations. Means I can say 002 127 memory locations.
Hmm.
In hexadecimal 002 7F memory locations. 127 if we are converting into the hexadecimal it will be 7F.
Hmm.
Mm.
Right? So 002 7F. How it will be from the just write down internal RAM structure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this location is 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, and 07. So it's a 002, 07. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next memory locations will be after 07,
08
08H to 0FH,
FH
10H to 17H,
17H 18
18H to
1F.
FH. Okay. These four are the called bank 3, bank 2, bank 1, bank 0. Bank 3, bank 2, bank 1, bank 0.
Okay, sir.
So bank 0, what are the locations? 002,
0F 07.
002, 07. So bank 0, what are the locations? 002, 07.
078.
07.
Mm.
Bank 1,
08,
082,
07,
0F.
H.
bank 2, 10217, bank 3, 182, 1F.
F. Mm.
Every bank have a register like R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, and R7. Similarly, over here, R02, R7. Similarly, over here, R02, R7, like R5. Similarly, over here, R02, R7. I'm not mentioning all those things, but every bank have a same register R0 to R7. So how many R0 register?
4.
4.
4. How many R1?
4.
4.
Everyone is
4.
4.
Every 4. So how many
8
registers are
into
there?
4. 32.
32. 32 registers are there. Each 8-bit wide. Each can store 8-bit data because one memory location, so it can store
Maximum
8-bit
8
data.
data. So 32 into 8. Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Yes, sir.
Now, questions will be coming. Bank 3 R5 register. What are the RAM locations?
Bank.
Bank 3
R5.
R5 register. What are the RAM locations? What are the RAM locations?
Achha. Or 9, 1, so 1D.
Huh?
1D8.
Just see 18
19,
1
9,
9
1
1
A,
1
B, C,
D
D.
1D. So 1D8.
20.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, bank 2 R6 register.
R6.
Bank 2 R6 register. R6 means this one.
16H.
16H. Similarly, bank 1 R4 register.
Bank 1 R4.
Just
GOC,
see this is a bank
GOC,
1
GOC,
0CH.
D.
0C. D is a
Yes.
for R5.
Mm.
these are 5.
Yes, sir.
So this kind of questions will become from the bank. That is a bank 1, bank 2, bank 3, and bank 0. 4 bank is there. Each 8-bit register is there. So total 32 registers is there. Where you can store the data. Next locations from 20 to 2F. This location is called bit addressable area. Bit addressable area. Bit addressable area. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
What is the bit addressable area? 20 to 2F. I'm explaining over here. Sir, I'm talking about the in 8085 microprocessor. Sir, there is a data on 8500H. Sir, there is a AB. So how it is stored? Like 8500H, it's stored like 10101011.
1 H.
Not H, B, binary.
It's a binary, huh?
So if I want to copy this bit, I can, means this is a D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Any bit. Say I want to copy D5 or D4 or D3 or D6. It can be possible?
স্যার প্রথমত হচ্ছে একটা লোকেশনে তো অত বড় ডাটা তো থাকবেই না।
100% থাকবে। 8 bit data can be stored না, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 2 digit and this is in binary.
বাইনারি
8 bit number. Why it's called 8 bit number? It's stored 8 bit number. Just see there is 8.
না না ঠিক আছে আমি ভুল করেছি
So I want to copy any particular bit. So D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. Either I want to copy the D5 bit or D4 bit or D6 bit. It can be possible.
Yes sir, with
Answer
loop
is
it
Yes,
can
no.
sir.
Answer is no. You cannot access any individual bit. You cannot access any individual bit, right?
okay.
So we cannot copy a single particular bit, right?
Yes sir.
So, that's
Yes.
why this memory location is called byte addressable. This memory location is called byte addressable. I'm পাগল হয়ে যাব। So this memory location is called byte addressable, not bit addressable, right? So all the memory location bit addressable. Now, what are the what are the difference between bit addressable and byte addressable? Every memory location has how many bits?
8 bit maximum. We can store maximum 8 bit data.
Yeah, 2021 up to its 2F. This is bit addressable area, and every locations have 8 bit. Okay.
Yes sir.
This is 00, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08 up to 0F. The last is, sir, how many memory locations is there? 20 to 2F?
0 to 2F, how many?
How many locations are there? There is 201, 221, 22, 22. How many locations?
16.
16 locations. 16 locations. Every memory location has how many bits?
8.
So into 8
8 bits.
is equal to 128. So again, if I am starting from 00, it will be ending at 7F. 7E, 7D, 7C, 7B, 7A, 79, 78. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the memory locations. Okay.
Yes sir.
So now 20 to 2F is the memory locations, and every memory locations have 8 bits. So total 00 to 7F. These are the number of you can say the locations. Now this is called byte address. This is called byte address. This 20 to 2F. Okay. These are the called bit address. These are the called bit address.
Bit address.
And the bit name is D0, D1, D2,
Okay.
D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Okay. D0 to D7.
D7.
Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So D0 to D7 will be the data. Next, say in between there is a say this is a 55 over here. It will be 00 to 7F. Any? So it is a 55.
Okay.
So now 55 Write down the questions. If bit address is 55H, if bit address is 55H, then calculate the byte address and which bit. Then calculate the byte address and which bit.
Hmm.
If bit address is 55H, then calculate the byte address and which bit. Sir, how it will be done? First 55 you convert into the decimal. So this is 0, this is 1.
Hmm.
So 16, sorry, 5 into 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 0. Okay?
Hmm.
Hmm.
So it is a 80, it's a 5. So 85,
185.
okay?
Hmm.
85 divided by 8. 1, 8, 5, not divisible, then it's 0. So 10 is the your result and 5 is your remainder. Am I right?
Hmm.
Yes.
Therefore, byte address is equal to 20 plus 0A, 20 plus 0A within a bracket 10 in decimal. Okay,
Hmm.
Hmm.
so is equal to 2A. Is equal to
2A.
2A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what are the remainder?
5.
5.
It will be D5 bit. You can write as remainder is 5, therefore it's D5 bit.
Okay.
Now question is from where I am getting 20 and from where I am getting 0A.
Sir, it's okay. D5 it is okay.
From where I am getting 20 and from where I am getting 0A.
Sir, 0 এ তো বোঝাই যাচ্ছে যে ওটা 10 থেকে এলো।
Then that's why it, and what are the starting address?
20.
That's why 20.
Okay.
20 plus. So it's a 2A and it's a D5 bit.
D5 bit.
2A and D5 bit. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, if bit address is 6DH, if bit address is 6DH, then calculate the byte address and which bit. Then calculate the byte address and which bit.
And which bit? Okay. Bit address is 60. ঠিক আছে। So to the power 1 plus D means 7. Okay. 96, 96 and 13, 99, 8. So 13 plus 20, 13 it means D. Yes. 2DH and this 8, 5, D5.
First 6D should be converted into the decimal.
Sir, 2D is D5.
I don't know. It will be D5 obviously,
Yes, sir.
as it is a D.
Hmm.
2D maybe. I don't know the other answer.
Okay, sir.
Subra, what will be your answer? 2D.
Sir, code 3.
How it will be done? Say 6D. 0, 1. So 6 into
Yes, sir.
16
Into
power 1 plus
1 plus
D into
6
16 to the
D
power
into
0.
16.
So
0. Yes.
86, I think. Sorry, 96.
96.
96 plus
96.
D means 13.
13.
13.
You should be write down the total number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So I am explaining you 2022F is a bit addressable, right? Next
Yes, sir.
302,
3.
not 3023F, 302-7F.
Acha.
This location is called byte addressable. Means similar of 8085. Byte addressable, user area, anything you can say. Scratch pad, anything you can say, right?
Hmm.
Above 7, this is the internal RAM, whatever you know, 0027F. But above some portions also there, which are also calculating as a, internal RAM 802FF. This location is called SFR area. Full form special function register. Full form special function register. Full form special function
Special
register.
function
Register.
register. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So day after tomorrow, I will be explaining you the SFR, special function registers. What are those? How many special function register and what are those? Means name and with their function.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.